guys, come with me to package up our very first 1 cent order from TikTok Shop. So just like every single order, no matter how much the customer pays, they will still receive a coupon code to use on their next purchase, as well as a packing slip, which will include the details of the order. So I just want to say a huge thank you to the customer who placed this order. This was Jessica. Hey girl, hey. I really appreciate your support. Every single order is so greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much, and your order will be shipping out soon. Seriously, you guys, you need to take advantage of the TikTok Shop deals. At first, I was a little thrown back because I was like, 1 cent, what the heck? But TikTok is actually paying for that. I'm not losing any money as a seller. I still get the full amount of my products, but TikTok wants you guys to stay on the app longer instead of leaving to go to Shopify or going to Amazon. So they're offering a lot of really good discounts right now, and I do recommend you take advantage of them.